Side, inflate by pulling the toggle. If it fails to inflate or needs topping up, blow into this tube. There is a light and whistle for attracting attention. We also carry flotation aids for children. Please now ensure that your seat backs are upright, tray tables stowed away, armrests down, window blinds open and seatbelts fastened securely ready for our departure. All electronic devices must now be in flight safe mode and all laptops safely stowed away until after takeoff. I'd like to thank you for listening and wish you a pleasant flight with us today.
And your jacket there, unfortunately can't go on the seat. You're either going to have to wear it or have to put it up here just for takeoff and landing. Should I put that? Yeah, you wear the jacket. Okay. That's just for takeoff and landing.